During the press conference at the Meghalaya Secretariat this afternoon, Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong made mention of opening of a mini secretariat at the two district headquarters of Jowai and Tura to improve the administrative control of the government and also ease the public's approach to administrators and other officials of the state.
Oldest district headquarters, one is Tura and one is Jowai, where the construction of Mini Secretariat will take place very soon. When we talk about Mini Secretariat in the districts of the state of Meghalaya, we wanted to house all the department located in the district in one building, more or less like Secretariat. That's what we wanted to call it, Mini Secretariat, where the public can just easily accessible. Once they go and meet DC, they can even complete their work of other departments related to their localities or to their village in one roof itself, just in one roof itself. So therefore, we decided now, Mini Secretariat will be constructed in these two places. One is Tura and one is Jowai.
During the press conference, the Deputy Chief Minister also stated reasons as to why the office of the Executive Engineer North Division has to be shifted to Shangpung.
As you all know, the DC office that we have today in Jowai, there is not even a proper place for parking of vehicles. And then not only that, people who has to go to Jowai DC office, they have to cross that market, the biggest market of the entire Jati Hills, that Yaumusiang market we call it, where we have seen the congestion that has taken place. So therefore, after thorough examination, we decided to shift the office of the Executive Engineer Jowai North to Shangpung, and then that premises or that campus which is being utilized by the Executive Engineer of Tura North, of Jowai North, will be converted into a mini secretariat of the West Khasi Hills, West Jati Hills Deputy Commissioner Office, which is known as Mini Secretariat.